Hey guys, Vacuums 101 here. Today I want to show you the Hoover Windtunnel Air. It's Hoover's way of saying suck it, Dyson. And it has 7 cyclones. It's really lightweight actually, I believe it's like 12 pounds. I mean, look at it. You can literally weigh it with your pinky. There you go. And it has wind tunnel technology, has no loss of suction obviously because it says it everywhere. And of course there's like 20 different ways that it looks like a cyclonic vacuum. It has a HEPA filter, it has telescoping wand, it has 12-foot hose, and yeah, so let me just give it an overview. Here's the wind tunnel type thing, I guess you could say. The beater bar, the head, little hose that goes into the bin, which detaches from here, as you could see, and you would plug it into on the hose right there. So I will show you that in a few minutes. And on the head itself, there are 2 things actually. As you could see, that is the beater bar status light. When it's green, it's obviously working. When it's red, it's dying. Here's the foot pedal, and here's also the brush bar motor, which is actually a really thin, small belt, and surprisingly really good, to be honest with you. And there's also, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a red reset button right here to reset the brush bar, because it has auto off if it catches onto anything. This is where the motor is housed. It's really quiet, to be honest. Here's the bin thing, and then you press this button or latch to open, and you dump out the stuff. And this is a really nice, unique feature of this cyclonic vacuum, which is you can take out the cyclones. So you do that by twisting this off. You have a washable, I believe this is HEPA filter. There you go. And here are the 7 cyclones. And then you could take this little O-ring off, and then take, oh, oops. Sorry about that, guys, just give me 1 second. I'm really sorry about that, but yeah. And then you have to position it in here. Unless I'm missing something. Oh, there we go. Position it in here, and you could have taken the whole thing apart. And you put the washable, from what I believe, HEPA filter back in. Close it up. Or not. There we go. And then here's a non-washable filter, which is definitely HEPA because it says it. There you go. It's the motor right there. And this is actually a 12-foot extension hose, which, take off here, and then you plug this end with the green latch onto here. And then you would have 12 feet of reach. I'm sorry if this is really long, but I'm having a hard time doing it with one hand, and my stand for the camera, or, well, it's broken. Here's the 2-in-1 tool, or 3-in-1 tool from Hoover, crevice, upholstery, and all-in-one tool. But this is really plasticky, so it's going to leave micro scratches, by the way. So I would not recommend using it on plastic. And that's pretty much a ripoff of the Dyson's tools, because I can actually use it on my friend's Dyson. And yeah. And then here's the power button, which without the bin on, it sounds really loud, surprisingly. Here's the brush bar on-off. Here's the adjustable handle. There you go. And you can also latch it out to use as a wand attachment, which you put the hose of end of it here and an attachment on here. Okay, so without not much further to do, let me try and run it without much problems. If the camera falls over, and I'm sorry, but like I said, the stand is broken for it, so can't do much about that. So, there you have it, guys. I don't believe you saw everything on the video because I did have to clean up some stuff on my bare floor over there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So, comment, rate, subscribe, and definitely check out the rest of my videos.